Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Ram 3500 ride smoother. First, let's talk about tires. Upgrading to a softer compound can significantly improve ride comfort by absorbing more road imperfections. Next, consider an air suspension system. These systems offer adjustable ride height and firmness, allowing you to tailor the ride to your preferences. Finally, replacing old or worn shocks and struts with higher quality, performance-oriented options is crucial for a noticeable improvement in smoothness and handling. Moving on to more advanced suspension solutions, aftermarket leaf springs can be a game changer. They are often designed with a more compliant rate, reducing harshness. Helper bags or airbags are excellent for maintaining ride quality when towing or hauling heavy loads, preventing sag and improving stability. Also, consider progressive rate coil springs. These springs offer a softer initial ride for daily driving, then stiffen up under compression to handle heavier loads effectively, providing a balanced solution. Beyond the main suspension components, steering and bushing enhancements play a vital role. Worn control arm bushings can lead to a harsh ride and poor handling. Upgrading to polyurethane bushings can offer a firmer, more responsive feel. A steering stabilizer is also highly recommended to minimize road vibrations and reduce steering wander, especially on rough terrain. Lastly, ensure your ball joints are in good condition. Replacing worn ones will significantly improve steering precision and overall ride quality. To wrap things up, consistent maintenance is key. Always maintain proper tire pressure. It's fundamental for both ride comfort and safety. Regularly inspect all your suspension components for any signs of wear or damage to catch issues early. And speaking of making things easier, if you're looking to streamline your meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below. You'll also find other great deals there to help you out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your smoother ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.